The 2020 for Tesla Model 3 is a mid-cycle refresh of the popular electric car. It features a number of updates to the exterior, interior, and technology. Exterior: the most noticeable change to the exterior of the 2020 for Model 3 is the new front fascia. The headlights are now slimmer and more aggressive, and the grille has been replaced with a solid panel. The rear end has also been updated with new taillights and a more aerodynamic diffuser. Interior of the 2020 for Model 3 has been redesigned to be more modern and minimalist. The center console has been simplified, and the infotainment screen is now larger and more responsive. There is also a new rear touchscreen for passengers. Technology of 2020 for Model 3 comes standard with Tesla's latest Autopilot and Full Self-Driving hardware. This includes for new cameras, a new radar sensor, and a new ultrasonic sensor suite. The updated hardware will allow for improved performance and new features in the future. The 2020 for Model 3 is also expected to have a longer range than the current model. Tesla has not yet released official range estimates, but it is rumored that the new car will be able to travel over 350 miles on a single charge. Release date and pricing: 2024 Tesla Model 3 is expected to go on sale in early 2024. Pricing has not yet been announced, but it is expected to start at around $45,000. Overall, the 2020 for Tesla Model 3 is a significant update to the popular electric car. It features a new design, improved technology, and a longer range.